Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are gonna discuss about syntax. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Rivina Adelia. I'm from English Department Class A, University of North Sumatra. The topic are what is syntax, what is immediate constituent analysis, what is transformational generative grammar, what is kernel sentence, deep and surface structure, difference between linguistic competence and performance. Syntax. What is syntax? Syntax has been defined by Richards, Platt, and Weber as the study of how words combine to form sentence and the rule which govern the formation of sentence. In generative, transformational grammar, the syntactic component is one of the three main parts of the grammar. This component contains the rule for forming syntactic structures and rules for changing this structure. What is immediate constituent analysis? Immediate constituent analysis is the one of established methods of analyzing sentence. It highlights the fact that sense is conveyed not only by the dictionary meanings of words but also by their arrangement in patterns. A sentence is not just a linear string of words. It is a sequence grouped in a particular way. For the example, in the sentence, the old man ran away, the first division into immediate constituents would be between the old man and ran away. The immediate constituents of the old man are the and old man. At the next level, old man is divided into old and man. What is transformational generative grammar? Transformational generative grammar is a system of language analysis that recognizes the relationship among the various elements of a sentence and among the possible sentences of a language and uses process of rules to express the relationship. For the example, transformational grammar related the active sentence. John read the book with its corresponding passive. The book was read by John. What is the kernel sentence? The kernel sentence are the basic construction. From this, the rest of the complex constructions are made. The rest of the sentence are transformations of the kernel sentence. Essentially, a kernel sentence is made of a noun phrase followed by verb phrase. Deep and surface structure. For the example, Charlie broke the window as a passive voice. The window was broken by Charlie as a passive voice. Jack loved his brother as an active voice, and his brother is loved by Jack by passive voice. The distinction between them is difference in their surface structure. They have different syntactic forms of individual sentence. The superficial difference is called surface structure. For the example are, it was Charlie who broke the window. Was the window broken by Charlie? It is Jack loved his brother, and so on. An abstract level of structural organization in which all the elements determining structural interpretation are represented is called deep structure, or the underlying level where the basic components can be represented is called their deep structure. And the last, we are gonna discuss about difference between linguistic competence and linguistic performance. Linguistic competence is a person underlying linguistic ability to create and understand sentence, including sentence they have never heard before. It is a person acquaintance with a set of grammatical rules, and it's different from the actual linguistics activities. Linguistic competence includes competence such as phonetics, phonology, syntax, semantics, and morphology. Linguistic performance is the real-world linguistic output. May accurately reflect competence, but it also may include speech errors. Performance may be flawed because of memory limitations, distractions, shift of attention and interest, and errors or other psychological factors. Represents only a small sample of possible utterance. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.